Memorial Day, originally known as Decoration Day, is a federal holiday in the United States for honoring and mourning the U.S. military personnel who died while serving in the United States Armed Forces. From 1868 to 1970, it was observed on May 30th. Since 1971, it has been observed on the last Monday of May. So guys, I come to you to share with you my Memorial Day tablescape. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your lovely host here, Gigi FAISON, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you my Memorial Day tablescape. But before I bring you in for the tablescape, I want to say welcome. I thank you so much for stopping by. I ask that you go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you choose to drink. Sit back and relax and just enjoy what I have created here. Now I'm going to go right into it. I did not do a lot of step-by-step tutorials this time. I just going to share with you what I've created. But what I want to say is we are to bring observance to our men and women who have sacrificed their lives to protect our country, to the families who was also a sacrifice because they had to go away and leave and fight in the war, and some did not return home. So we are bringing observance to the men and women and their families. And by way of, some may be having celebrations, parties, parades, festivities, cookouts, whatever you may be doing today, just remember the reason for the day as we are celebrating those that served us, protected us, and kept us safe during some times that we did not even realize what was going on or what was happening. Even as we slept through the night, we had no idea as to what they were doing to protect us. And to those who are still here serving and protecting, I want to say a special thanks to all of you, all of the men and women in armed services that protect us. And we don't even know what they're doing or where they're doing it, but thanks. So guys, this is my Memorial Day tablescape for 2024. I hope you will enjoy what I have created here. I've started here with my centerpiece with the candelabra that I purchased from Temu. And I removed the little cylinders that you are to place on it because I have fire to the candles. So I did not want to cause harm to that. And then I just created a beautiful space here using greenery, some little rose petals, miniature roses on garland, some little miniature roses picks here. All of this creates my center, and then you will see my place settings. All are pretty much the same. We have the placemat here, added in this charger, went in with these dinner plates. Now these plates I purchased, I forget where, but the set was $7 by Better Homes and Garden. So I got this set here, and it's place setting of 6 for $7. And then I am layering my napkin and rose napkin ring. We have our flatware and our stemware, and if you will see early on in the video, I have some different flatware, but I decided to go with the white and the gold. I thought this made it look a little more elegant than what I had before. So guys, enjoy and thanks. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this beautifully decorated table, and I would love for you to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please give me that big old thumbs up. It lets YouTube know how much you appreciate the work that we bring to you guys. I also want to say, enjoy this day and enjoy your family. Make new memories so that you can look back and enjoy with years to come. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. And don't forget to enjoy your family, make new memories, and remember why this day was created.